You see a lawn tractor on your screen, the kind that usually costs thousands of dollars, but the price tag says $99. Your heart skips a beat. You think you found the deal of the century, but your brain, that little voice in the back of your head, is screaming that something is wrong. That site is Ezoneglobal. It is a shiny, digital storefront that promises the world for pennies on the dollar. But look closer. Look at the fine print. This website is practically a newborn. It was registered just a few weeks ago. How does a brand new shop suddenly have a massive warehouse full of heavy-duty engines and high-end fitness equipment? They do not. Legitimate businesses take years to build that kind of supply chain. They have a history. They have real people you can talk to. This site? It is a ghost ship. They list a physical address in New Zealand, but then they give you a phone number based in the United States. It is a shell game, meant to keep you confused and make it impossible to get your money back once it is gone. And those prices, those deep discounts, it is pure bait. No company can sell premium generators and power tools at a 90% loss. It is not a clearance sale. It is a trap designed to trigger your impulse to buy before you can think clearly. The site itself is just a generic template. It is the same layout used by thousands of these fly-by-night operations. You see the same flashing banners, the same generic promises of free shipping, and the same total lack of any real technical details. If you were buying a real engine, you would want to see the specs. You would want to see the warranty information. But here, all you get is a generic photo and a button that wants your credit card number. If you click that button, you are not just buying a product. You are throwing your money into a void. These sites rely on the fact that we all want to save money. They use that against us. They create a sense of urgency with fake countdowns and limited stock warnings. It is all a show. Before you spend a single cent on a site like this, do your homework. Check the domain age yourself. Look for real, third-party reviews. If the only praise for the site is on the site itself, is not real. Do not let the flash and the low prices blind you. If it seems too good to be true, it is. Every single time. Keep your money in your pocket and your eyes wide open. There are no shortcuts to a good deal, and this place is a dead end. Your financial safety is worth more than a suspicious bargain. Don't be the next person waiting for a package that is never going to arrive. Stay sharp. Stay skeptical. If a website appeared yesterday and wants to sell you the world for the price of a sandwich, walk away. Your bank account will thank you later. The internet is full of these digital mirages, and the best way to beat them is to simply stop, breathe, and look for the facts. Real quality has a real price, and real businesses have a real history. Do not settle for anything less when your hard-earned money is on the line.